5 biggest airplanes in the world. Number 1. Antonov AN-225, the largest and heaviest aircraft ever built. Maximum takeoff weight 640,000 kilograms. Number 2. Airbus A380, the largest passenger aircraft in aviation history. Maximum takeoff weight 575,000 kilograms. Number 3. Boeing 747-8, the most advanced version of the legendary jumbo jet. Maximum takeoff weight 447,700 kilograms. Number 4. Antonov AN-124, heavy strategic airlifter designed for oversized cargo. Maximum takeoff weight 405,000 kilograms. Number 5. Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy, one of the largest military transport aircraft ever built. Maximum takeoff weight 381,000 kilograms.